Young mind right, trying to find its way. A thirst for knowledge, searching, being led blindly away. Trusting those in your space, no questions asked, not knowing the danger lurking behind the mask. A touch so hot, I felt the burn, melted my soul. Lessons learned, wisdom earned, healing my soul. Running away from what I can't explain, into the light, a brighter day to begin. Into the light, seeing lessons exposed. Out of the darkness, released from pain, forever free. I never know. It's the Gemini effect. Connected as one, soul to soul, back to back. The connection is strong. It's the Gemini, like words and melody to this song. Connection string. It's the Gemini effect. No need to question loyalty, that's a fact. For decades long, with these hands, creating beauty with shears and comb like gold. Wisdom growing. Now these hands are pen to hold, writing and creating beauty in my song. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini warrior. It's God's plan. It's God's, not mine. He controls these hands. It's God's, not mine. I thank him all the time. It's my Gemini twin, so divine. It's the Gemini effect. The star I follow as my guide, my left or my right. Never have to search, we are one. Hearts attached, the one account when others performing act. It's the Gemini effect. It's the Gemini. It's the Gemini. Soul to soul, energy connection. It's the Gemini. Digging deep where the wires grow, underneath the static and the radio glow. They told me the earth was made of clay and bone, but I'm finding BPMs in the stepping tones. Yeah, the lyrics humming different tune underneath the light of the midnight moon. Oh, can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the soul? There's a heartbeat hiding in the soul. It ain't quite real, it sure ain't quite fake. It's the hybrid fever that we're bound to shake. Digging for the flow in the silicone soul. So, digging for the flow. So, lives building foundations impressions on shifting floors, but the blueprints don't match the art. No, no. We're trusting our gardens to the plastic trenches, killing our spirit, trying to leaving a foul stench. It's a brand new world, it's a shiny reflect, yeah. Blowing up a future on a ghost built craft. It's filtered, it's processed, it's crystal clean. The prettiest dirt that you've ever seen. A soul in the high circuit, dust on the screen. Oh, can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the soul? There's a melody hiding in the silicone soul. It ain't quite real, it ain't quite fake. It's the hybrid fever that we're bound to wake, digging for the soil in the silicone soul. Digging for the soul in the soul. Keep on digging, 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 keep on digging,
Seasons may change, yes, that's the law of nature. Memories remain like a Polaroid picture, like night and day. Friends come and go, but it's okay, that's how friendlies roll. Friendships go down like the Titanic, but a true one sails to the end. No fear, no panic, keep stepping on, it's alright, alright. You're okay, go where you celebrate it, not tolerate it. Keep them haters away. Stepping on, alright. You're okay, oh, don't say, don't settle, don't stop. Keep stepping on, yeah. Keep stepping away. Keep stepping away, yeah. Keep stepping away.
In the sexual realm, you relate, which leads to a mutual urge to collaborate. No need for communication. No, 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 no. Only strong desire for physical relations. It's not love that you're feeling, but a feeling you love to feel. Emotions burning, heating on high. Feeling so hot, bodies melting in the night. When we collide, 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 when we collide. When your days are filled with dreams. Crept in like a thief in the night, with your articulate swag so bright. Sweet smile blinding, blocking my view. Trapped and bound, feelings brand new. Love bombing, fires everywhere. Desire explosive than thin air. Creeping, creeping in the night. Articulate swag, burning so bright. No more feeling small, standing tall. Just keep on creeping beyond the wall. Whispers of forever, sweet nothings you say, building me up just to tear me away. Stolen glances, a touch of your hand, lost in the moment, quicksand. Promises broken like glass on the floor, left with the pieces, wanting more. Creeping, creeping in the night. Articulate swag, burning so bright. No more feeling small, standing tall. Just keep on creeping beyond the wall. Articulate swag, burning so bright. No more feeling small, standing tall. Just keep on creeping beyond the wall. Creeping, creeping, yeah, into the night. Fading away like a thief in the light. I killed the monster, but I couldn't free the memory. Now I'm stuck serving a life sentence in this misery. I'm breaking free. Oh, this is too much for my soul to bear. No, no, no. Oh, the hurt so deep I'm trapped in. I'm locked in. I'm